I still cut through with the local boys.
Local ones, I love them dumb.
She in love with the flows of the vocal noise.
I think she does.
Need the new V8 for the motor noise.
Oh yeah.
I fuck up your team like I'm David Moyes. They can't tame these boys.
Still cut through with the local boys.
Local squad, just local people.
Man, I grab for the bag, that's my focal point.
Stack my paper, stack my people.
Still shout for my town with a broken voice.
Still shout that.
I stay strong under pressure with a certain poise.
Working by a check. Look.
I'm not one of them, don't compare me to none of them. Couldn't compete with me, if you're talking cash or all of them. Running the race, it's just Elizabeth and me. With two white boys with that IC3s, never went uni. Did a 1 degree when I spit his flames about 100 degrees. I ain't the parties, no flipping this beef. Well, you know about pushing and pushing and pushing. Tryna get your foot in, but never got a look in. Got weight on my chest that I'm pushing and pushing. They know that it's speed that I want in abundance. I depend on independence, she likes it when I rhyme in a sentence. Keep your name out your mouth, don't even mention. I think they forget that we're nothing alike. I'm not like them guys, and I can't act like I like them guys. To put on the front, but I clock the disguise. Eat the game like a portion of fries.